Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data, back up to iCloud or Finder now. Once done, sign out of the App Store. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases, and sign out. Make sure you have a payment method for the target country or plan to choose none if you'll download only free apps. You're doing this early to avoid lockouts and to ensure purchases don't block the switch. Keep your Apple ID password ready for re-signing later. Now you change the region itself. Go to Settings, tap your name, Media and Purchases, then view Account and Country/Region. Select the new country and read the terms, agree to proceed. Enter billing info matching that country or select none if you don't have a payment method. Use a local street, city, postal code format. Once accepted, App Store content updates to the region's catalog. You may need to restart the App Store, so listings refresh and regional restrictions update. Finish by signing back into Media and Purchases with your Apple ID, because only then will purchases and downloads resume. Redownload the apps you need. Note that some previous purchases may not appear if unavailable in the new store. If the change fails, check for active subscriptions, remaining store credit, or family sharing restrictions. Those commonly block region changes. If needed, cancel subscriptions or spend store credit, then retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific holds or clarifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.